What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are in Torrance, so obviously time to hit up the Torrance Nike Outlet, you guys. Let's go see what happens, you guys. See what happens. I hope you guys are having an amazing morning, day, whatever you guys are watching this. Do have Bossco in the house right there.
Yo.
Let's go see what's up. See what's up. Hopefully you guys all did get your 20% off coupon that is in-app. Yeah, let's see what's up. See what's up. Yeah, no, this is like the most, damn, this is the most packed I've ever seen this place. What the hell? Dang, everybody got that 20% off coupon, huh? All right, it is 30% off the hash wall. So if we find something for 30% off and then we use the extra 20% off, that's what's up. See what happens. All right, we are in the size 10, 10 and a half. Yeah, haven't found anything yet. Let me look around a little. We do have a viewer here. We have Hugo right there. He's checking out, seeing if he should get something. Yeah, but we'll talk to him in a minute, you guys. Dude got these. These are Quick Strike Air Flight 89s for $100. That 30% off and 20, man, that's what's up. Dude got some Vomeros right here. Vomero 14, $65 for these. Got the Element 55, size 11, going for $70. That's a hell of a deal. What is this? Zoom Freak lens? Nah, there's no way that's retail. Come on now. Oh, they got the Romallers. Oh yeah, these actually go for a lot. I didn't know they go for that much. Holy guacamole. These are specifically made for powerlifting, weightlifting, but more for powerlifting. That's why the back is so straight. $210. Wow. I'm not a robot. Wow, that's what's up. Dude got some Mamba Furies, size 10, go for $100. Downshifter 9s, really generic ones, going for $40. Dude got these bad boys. Aerospace 720s, going for $150. Size 11 Air Max 2 Lights, going for $110. 270 Reacts, size 11, going for $70. Pretty clean. What are these golf shoes? See some golf shoes here. The Infinity Tours. Oh, it's a women's, but yeah, $120. Air Force One Black History Month, size 12, go for $100. Do you got these 720s? Go for $135. Okay. Size 12, $169 for these. Little steep because we've seen these go for cheaper. Okay. The 30% and the 20%, not too bad. Probably close to $100. What are these going for? PG4 PCGs. Dang, retail? Size 11, okay. Big Feet Gang, not seeing much, you guys. Not seeing much. Yeah. Dang, these are the only 13 tiers. This is only size 13. That's funny. Dude got some size 14s. Nike Path Winters. Okay. $90. So size 15 right here. Got these hybrid 2s. Going for $140. Got these size 18s. Dang, $60 for these. I think we're in the size 9.5, so I can go down a size. You guys got the Zoom Freak 2s. Yeah, good with the discount, you guys. Not bad. Got some Nike IDs, Air Max 200s, going for $150. Got the BBs, right? BB NXTs, going for retail, size 9. Got the Fly Traps. You know, Bossco already checked these out. Size 9, going for $80. Oh, okay. Got the Graffitis. $225, which is expensive, but you just had 30% off. Then get another 20% off. That's what's up right there. Oh, hell yeah. Dude got the Shox BB4s going for $119. You got the up-tempo colorway, size 8, going for $200. Some Metcons. Okay. Black with gum by Tiff or by Jeff. I don't know. Yeah, $150 for those. Size 8. Oh, this is interesting. The Air Terra Antarctic. Go for two bills. Dang, dude, $220 actually. Wow. That's a size 7.5. Zoom Freak ones. Oh, okay. See, those are probably going for cheaper. $70 for those. With that 30%, 20%. Oh, man, that's a hell of a deal. Oh, shit, dude. Look at this. Finding so many hybrid 2s. Okay. This is size 6.5, though. Super puny. They're pretty clean. This is a very clean pair compared to the other ones. Yeah, go for retail. 6.5. Got one of these, go for $80. Zoom Freak ones, size 7, go for $70. And size 7, Tailwinds, $120. Damn, these have been here for like a month, dude. Dang, $140 for these, size 7. And I think that's about it. I was like, is this a Kyrie? It kind of looks like Kyrie on the side. The Renew Elevates, go for $80. Size 6.5. I think that's about it, you guys. Let's look elsewhere. Let's go look around now. All right, we do have Ricky here, who's a viewer. Definitely appreciate it. Dude, he has those Black Cat 13s on, man. Those are extra clean. I'm a huge fan.
Oh, appreciate it.
Yeah, I love those. And then he just asked if they had any 12s or 13s, and they brought these out for him. These are pretty dope.
Yeah, man.
These are like the Union substitute for the mids. Like, this is pretty cool.
Yeah,
Pretty clean. But yeah, he's probably going to pick these up, size 13. Going for retail, though. But even mids, man, you can't even find mids right now. So you got to get what you can get. They do have a Jordan section here. This is kind of new. I've never really seen this. That shirt right there, pretty dope. I've never even seen that shirt. I'm going to have to look around. Look for that. But yeah, these are the 3 Jordans they got. I don't know the prices yet. Let me go see what's up. They had the Jordan 1 React. They had this for retail a while back, so I think it's still going for retail. But yeah, they sold out one of these a while back for retail, so yeah, probably not going on sale anytime soon. I'm curious to see what their socks are going for. 13 bucks for what? 3 pair? One. Is it 3 pair or 2 pair? Yeah, for 3 pairs. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. I'm all asking. It says right there. What an idiot. All right. Do have backpacks. We're gonna check the aisles in a minute, but the backpacks are right next to the Jordan stuff. So let's look at these real quick. The Nike Elite backpacks. I didn't know they go for that much. Dang, 60 bucks. I've seen these at the clearance center so often. But you do get 25% off if you have that coupon. You get to use that as well. Got a few different colorways of the Elite ones. Pretty dope. Do got this Jordan one. I did see these a while back. I don't know if this matches with one of his signature shoes though. I don't know. It does have like a seatbelt type of strap. It does have that as well. I don't know. You guys let me know if I'm missing something. I don't know. Do have a couple of other Jordans. Kind of the Team Jordans. Don't really know much about these. Yeah, let's check out the other aisles. I don't know. That's kind of laughable. They got all these going for regular price. That's just, I don't know. It's just kind of hilarious too, because they've been on sale everywhere. They got the Blazer mids are here. Not too bad. These Blazer lows, damn, they've been here for like a month and a half now, damn. But I do like them because they're suede. The suede's actually pretty decent feeling too. 50 bucks. KDs, we've seen these on sale everywhere. Like all the retail shops. $1.10 for these. Got some Kyrie 6s. More Kyrie 6s. Flight posits, okay. Now they're getting reasonable. Presto Premiums. React Visions. More React Visions. Oh wait, no, this is our first React Vision. Element 55s. More of those. And some 87s. Air Max 95. This is a pretty cool colorway. This one is super dope. Air Max 90. Dang, I'm surprised to see these here. They got the LeBron's Christmas colorway. Oh, this is where these are. Okay, so they're in the aisles. I guess that's just a little showcase place. It is going for retail. Pretty much only have size 10 and 12s. Mamba Focus. 270 Reacts. Nike Cruise Runs. We got these Element 55s. React Flyknit 2s. These are the 818 versions of the 720s. The up-tempos making a comeback. These were gone and then now they're back. Yeah, that's interesting because they were down to what, 79? I think here and other spots. Air Max 2090s, more 2090s, Air Max 200s. Got some Hirachis, React Flyknit 2s, Odyssey React Flyknit 2s. Pretty decent price. And then the React Flyknits, wow. If you use the 20% off for this, dang, dude, that's crazy. Dang, that makes it, what, $36? That's crazy. They do have a really small kid section, you guys. Let's see what's going on here. We got some Vapor Max Flyknit 3s. Grade school, going for 30 bucks, size 3. Size 5.5. 270 Reacts, going for 85. Presto Extremes, what the heck is Extreme? I don't know, 70 bucks. Oh, no laces, 70 bucks for those. Remember, this 30% off all the clearance stuff. The Victory V-Days, what the heck? 50 bucks for these. Ooh, okay, that's what's up. Oh, Air Max 95 going for $70. 30% off, that really makes it dope. 100 bucks for these, size 6. Infrared LeBrons going for $1.15, size 6. Some of the Hybrid S2s going for retail. That's size 7. Got more of these, size 7s. Air Force. Oh, okay, the all black ones. Got a little bit of white on it. Going for, what, 110? Go for 90. Do you get that discount though? Couple more of these. Oh, this one's going for 50 right here. Air Max 95. Got another Air Max 95 that's going for 70. Both size 6. So you got some LeBron 6.5 right here. These are going for retail though. That's interesting. This is the kid section here, guys, or the grade school. Only got 2 aisles, left and a right. Actually, 1 aisle, right? Yeah, let's see what's up. Mars 270s, the DMP colorway, Jordan Max 200, Flytrap 3s, Flytrap 2s, and another one of those. Dude, we got a lot of the generic stuff. What's that? The Team Hustle? What the heck? Yeah, I think that might be it, you guys. I think that might be it. All right, these Prestos, pretty interesting, not too bad. Another set of Prestos. One more. All right, some Air Max 200s, more of those. 270 Reacts, more 270 Reacts. Air More Monies. Oh, dang it, I thought these were some Reacts, but yeah, these are the Renews. I think that's about it. Yeah, I'm kind of skipping the women's because there's just not much. Some Tanjune, some Veronas. I guess these aren't bad. The Metcons, I got a couple different Metcons. Well, that's it, you guys. That's it. Let's go see if they have any apparel deals. Do got more backpacks here. Not finding anything super dope though. Basketball shorts, all 20% off. That's pretty dope. These retail for 45, going on sale for 35, and then you get 20% off. The elite ones normally 35 down to 25, and then 25 off. That's not too bad. So we've seen this aluminum foil jacket. Not really, but it is to insulate you from the rain and stuff like that. Normally $250 down to $175. Got a couple different flavors. These are both small. The hoodie normally $80 down to $60. If you use your 20%, get a little discount. Got a camo version. I swear we've seen some of this stuff at the clearance center. But yeah, $100 for these. Normally $140, size medium. Do got some Jordan shirts, 2 for $25. Now that's not too bad. With the different Jordan logos in the back. This is a size XXL. Does have the classic Jumpman logo. We've seen these a few times. $12.50, not too bad. More for 2 for $25. Jordan 1 logo. Oh, this is the one that we saw over there. Okay, this is also 2 for $25 as well. Does have the number from each of the jerseys. That's kind of cool. Got a couple more of these, different sizes too. All going for 2 for $25. Pretty dope, you guys. Pretty dope. Nike tees. These are going for $13, so not too bad. Kind of a cool jacket. What's this jacket going for? $70. Normally $100, so $30 off. Not too bad, especially if you use your 20% off on top of that. These pullovers are kind of dope. They don't even look like golf pullovers, but the material's super nice on these. $50. Normally $70. $50, and then you get 40% off on top of that, dude. Damn, that's dope. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I did forget to tell you that I did ask if they had any 10.5s in the back. They did say that they have some LeBron 18s. I wasn't really a fan of those, so I didn't ask for them. So I told them I'm all good with that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Definitely hope you guys enjoyed the video. The outlet trip, not too bad. Wasn't the craziest deals, but they did have a few things. Might have been worth copping. That's your flavor, that type of stuff. Not the greatest deals, but they did have some deals and whatnot. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. So we do have Bossco here. He did buy something for one of his members. Yeah. Got a crazy deal for them. What was it?
Some Huaraches.
So got some Huaraches.
South Beach colorway.
Yeah, it came out for stupid cheap. That came out for
these,
stupid cheap. Yeah, so that was pretty dope. Yeah, make sure you guys check out his channel. Make sure you guys check out his membership program, that type of stuff, because he does do pickups.
Multiple pickups.
I do not do pickups. I tell people every day, sorry, I don't do pickups. Yeah. He does, so go check out his channel.
Looking out.
Information right here. Yeah, so go ahead.
Appreciate it, bro.
Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you guys help your boy out, press that like button. Click that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. And yeah, you know, I'm gonna have plenty of others.